Hello everybody, you are watching the channel Learn to Earn for Life.
Let us go through transformer on load. When the secondary winding is connected to load, I2 flows through it. The phase relation of I2 with respect to V2 depends on the type of the load, whether the load is resistive, whether the load is inductive, whether the load is capacitive. Depends on that, the phase relation of I2 and V2 can be known. If the load is resistive, I2 is in phase with V2. If the load is inductive, I2 lags V2 by an angle of phi 2. If the load is capacitive, I2 leads V2 by an angle of phi 2. The I2 dash drawn from the primary will be obtained by N1 I2 dash is equals to N2 into I2, where I2 dash is equals to N2 divided by N1 into I2 is equals to K into I2, where K is the turns ratio. Under the load conditions, the primary current I1 is the vector sum of I0 and I2 dash. You can observe here, it is the vector sum of I0 and I2 dash. The impedance of the primary winding is given by Z1 is equals to R1 plus JX1. The impedance of the secondary winding is Z2 is equals to R2 plus JX2. For primary winding, we can have V1 is equals to minus E1 plus I1 Z1. For secondary winding, E2 is equals to V2 plus I2 Z2. So with this information, we can draw the vector diagram of the transformer on inductive load. You can observe here. We can also draw the vector diagram of the transformer on resistive load and the vector diagram of the transformer on capacitive load. So based on the different types of the loads, that is resistive, inductive and capacitive load, the vector diagrams are different. Thank you for watching this video.